Okay, here it is, the day you've been waiting for, compiling your rough draft. So with this task today, there's a lot of copying and pasting. First of all, you're going to need to find your introduction, which was here. I've got all the dates of the assignments for you. You're going to find this. You're going to copy and paste over all your sentences. Make sure you get them in the right order. Paste them into the introduction box. 4:30, 5:5, and 5:7 are the dates we did the body paragraphs. Those you should have already formed into paragraphs, so it's a much easier copy and paste, okay? So body paragraph 1, 2, and there's 3. The conclusion you did on May 12th, so you're going to go back to that assignment. I've got it right up here for you. You're going to copy and paste over each sentence separately. I don't think you've formed the paragraphs yet. Copy them over in the right order. Okay, reread and make sure they all make sense. And last but not least, the bibliography that you did yesterday. So you're going to copy and paste over the citations that you made. Here was our assignment. Yesterday you made these citations. So these are going to look like this, remember. So you're going to copy and paste over all the citations you made with Citation Machine for the sources you used in your in-text citations, all right? Then, when you're finished, you should have all of your paragraphs and citations pasted in these boxes, and your rough draft will be done. Yay! From here, we'll be doing some revision and editing. Great job, everyone.